this one. Problem is like that. This power is automatically off. Even I set up to 1 minute. I'm gonna try again. See, it's automatically off. And also it cannot be turning when I open the door. Look at that one. Okay, I found the problem is this one is a door interlock micro switch, which is burned. Then that means, did you see that the push the small red button is not working? Look at this one. It's supposed to be pop up, but it's not. Look at that one. It's supposed to be come up, but it's not. So that means the power is going through the PCB, then it's gonna be malfunctioning. Unfortunately, I couldn't take it out the micro switch because it's burned and stuck right here. The whole thing broken. So I'm gonna test right here. Look at 1 minute. See, the power is off. The problem is this switch is burned out, that is why. Okay, now I changed the micro switch. This one, it was black, but I put the white one, so you can easily figure it out. And then the first problem is when I open the door, the glass pane is turning, but now it's okay, it's not turning. Okay, and I'm gonna close the door. Start. Let me turn up the light. Okay, look at the inside. The glass pane is turning. Still got a 36 seconds. 5, 4. Okay, we have to wait 18 seconds more. Okay, now it's off. I think this microwave was fixed. The main problem is door interlock micro switch. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.